Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. Now this is ChatGPT. Let's give it a prompt. So I just gave ChatGPT a prompt. Tell me about Grafted Technology YouTube channel. Grafted Technology is a channel dedicated to making tech accessible, especially for those looking to sharpen their digital skills, which is perfect. Now, this is what it brought out for me. Now, remember, we want to save it as a PDF file. So I'm going to select the entire conversation, right click on it, choose print. Now go to this point. Now, this is it. Come over here, destination, click on that, select save as PDF. That's it over there. Click save. Now, the save as dialog box comes out. At the navigation pane, which is the left-hand side, select the folder or destination where you would like to save your PDF file. So let's say desktop, and that's the file name. This is save as PDF file, and then save it. Now let's go to our desktop and see. Here it is, the file saved. So I'm going to double click on that. And that is the PDF file from ChatGPT. Another way to save it as a PDF file would be you put in the prompt, put it in a downloadable PDF file and send it into ChatGPT. And it's going to analyze the conversation and put it in a downloadable PDF document for you to download. And that is it over there. So you can go ahead and download your conversation. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video for more tech tips like this.